Welcome back to Solo Sail Away. This is Coby coming back at you with another vlog. If you're a solo traveler trying to decide between Royal Caribbean and Virgin Voyages, stop scrolling. I've done both and the difference might shock you. Let's start with the rooms. Virgin Voyages actually designed solo cabins with solo travelers in mind. They're compact, cozy, and stylish, with no crazy extra fees just for being alone. Royal Caribbean ? Well, they do have solo cabins, some cheapish, but not on every ship. You'll mostly find them on Quantum class ships and a few others, and they can be tricky to book. Sometimes they're gone fast. Virgin's prices include a lot. Tips, Wi-Fi, fitness classes, and even specialty dining. For a solo traveler, that's a big plus. Royal looks cheaper at first, but once you add drinks, tips, and extras, the price can creep up. It all depends on how you cruise. Virgin Voyages has a social, adults-only vibe. No kids, lots of theme parties, and plenty of chances to mingle. Royal Caribbean is more traditional, great entertainment, big ships, but it can feel more family-oriented or couple-heavy unless you're on the right sailing. Virgin's app and booking process make it super easy to pick a solo cabin. Everything is smooth and modern. Royal's app is solid, but booking a solo room, that takes strategy. And sometimes you're stuck paying a solo supplement if solo cabins aren't available. So who really treats solo travelers better? Honestly, it depends on what you want. If you're all about vibe, modern perks, and ease, Virgin has the edge. But if you love big ships, tons of activities, and maybe saving a little, Royal can be just as great. If you like this video, check out this one right here, Battle of the Giants, Virgin versus Royal. I break down the cruise lines head to head. Don't forget to like, comment, and click that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next solo cruising tip, travel vlog, or vacation deal.